Now we get to an exciting part of the meeting here. We get to announce all of our annual Fabricated Project Award winners. So the first section we have is for the Field Erected Tank of the Year. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through and show you all of the entries and then announce the winner. So we have an API 620 ethylene tank from CB&I. We have an ammonia storage tank from CB&I. And the winner is the ethylene tank with CB&I storage. So this all-welded steel tank is a double-walled, full containment vessel with a suspended, insulated internal floating deck. This tank is 4.2 million gallons in capacity. The low design temperature of minus 155 degrees Fahrenheit and full containment project specifications required the use of 9% nickel steel for both the inner and the outer tanks. The annular space between the tanks is insulated using a resilient blanket and perlite while the floors of the two tanks are separated by cellular glass blocks in order to protect the foundation from the low temperatures and associated risk of frost heave. This tank includes in-tank pumps, and all tank penetrations must allow for the differential movement of the vessels due to the low internal temperatures and varying atmospheric conditions. The outer tank dome roof was constructed on the outer tank floor and was air raised, floated on a slight pressure of air. I'd love to see that, along with a suspended deck into position using internal tank fans and appropriate ballasts. The design of the outer tank dome roof was also engineered for the substantial platform loads and geometry as seen in the photo. The scope of the work also includes the design and construction of a ring wall foundation with heating and self-executed exterior painting. This vessel was successfully completed at the facility without disruption to plant operations and will serve the facility for decades to come. Congratulations to CB&I.
Our next category is API 650 Atmospheric Storage Tank of the Year, and the nominees are GCGV Chemical Plant by CB&I Storage Tank Solutions, Gasoline Jet Fuel Atmospheric Storage Tanks by CB&I Storage Tank Solutions, Tank Farm by Kennedy Tank and Manufacturing Company, Project Wise Field Erected Tanks by Caldwell Tanks, South Texas Gateway Terminal Construction by Tarsco, Moda Ingleside Energy Center Tank Expansion by Tarsco, Terminal Expansion Distillation Facility by Tarsco, Sweeney C5 Plus Project by CB&I Storage Tank Solutions, and Phase 4 Crude Project by CB&I Storage Tank Solutions. And the winner is South Texas Gateway Terminal Construction by Tarsco. A prominent terminal owner is developing a premier export facility that will increase their storage capacity by 8.5 million barrels. The terminal owner will connect crude oil pipelines to waterfront storage, providing a critical link in the Texas distribution chain for worldwide exports. To accomplish this, the terminal owner awarded this contractor a lump sum contract to construct 20 new API 650 crude oil tanks in a grassroots terminal in Ingleside, Texas. The project included the engineering, procurement, fabrication, and construction, including deep soil improvement, foundation installation, tank erection with internal steel floating roofs, aluminum geodesic dome roofs, and internal and external painting. Congratulations, Tarsco.
Okay, next we have the Field Erected Tank of the Year ASME Pressure Vessel Storage. And those entries were Kinder Morgan Butane Sphere at by CB&I Storage, 2 LPG Butane Sphere Storage by CB&I Storage Tank, 2 LPG Butane Sphere Storage by CB&I, Isobutane sphere by CB&I. Engineering and Construction Unit 3 ASME Section 3 Containment Vessel by CB&I. Well, we know it's going to be CB&I, but which one? Okay, the winner is CB&I Storage Tank Solutions, the Engineering and Construction Bogle at Unit 3 ASME Section 3 Containment Vessel. 2020 saw the completion of the first ASME certified nuclear containment vessel built in the 21st century and the first built in the United States in 30 years. Construction work on the Unit 3 containment vessel commenced in the fall of 2010 and was completed in October of 2020. Unique design criteria included Charpy impact tests of minus 70 degrees Fahrenheit and a design pressure of 59 psig. The finite element analysis included thousands of attachment loads, thermal loads, and fatigue conditions. The containment vessel was fabricated on site in 5 subassemblies, each weighing nearly 1,000 tons. These subassemblies were then transported and set in place on the nuclear island for final welding and testing. The containment vessel was pneumatically tested to 65 psig and solution film tested. This first of the 21st century nuclear containment vessel at 130 feet in diameter and over 250 foot tall and employing an impressive 8,136,000 pounds of steel demonstrates the flexibility of steel for unique design and construction applications, making steel the material of choice. Congratulations on a heck of a tank.
The nominees for Elevated Tank of the Year are Yellick Farms Water Storage Tank Replacement by Caldwell Tanks, 3 million gallon elevated water storage tank by CB&I Storage Tank Solutions, Zion Crossroad Elevated Water Storage Tank by CB&I Storage Tank Solutions, Wentzville, Missouri Water Spheroid by CB&I Storage Tank Solutions, and Gurnee, Illinois Water Spheroid by CB&I Storage Tank Solutions. And the winner is Wentzville, Missouri Water Spheroid by CB&I Storage Tank Solutions. In 2018, the city of Wentzville contracted for a new 2 million gallon all-steel single pedestal spheroid style tank, which at that capacity is equal to the largest capacity spheroid ever built. The tank provides excellent water pressure for the needs of the nearby community. The bottom bell of the tank acts as a pump house and includes a monorail system with a double door entrance for removing and replacing the pump when necessary. The tank exterior is coated with a high quality, long lasting fluoropolymer system, which should continue to enhance the appearance of the structure, which will stand as a monument overlooking City Hall for many years to come. Congratulations, CB&I.
Now the Field Erected Tank of the Year for the Reservoir section. The entries were the Dalton Reservoir Replacement Project by Paso Robles, the 18th Avenue Reservoir by Paso Robles, 2 million gallon welded steel reservoir, Northwest Tank by Paso Robles, a 1 million gallon welded steel reservoir by Paso Robles. And the winner is Paso Robles for their Dalton Reservoir Replacement Project. This project consisted of the demolition of an existing 2 million gallon concrete water storage tank and building a new 3.5 million gallon potable water storage tank in its place, nearly doubling the city of Livermore, California's capacity at this location. The footprint expanded from an existing 130-foot diameter to 155 feet in diameter. As the location of the tank was in a cultural and biologically sensitive location, construction was performed under permitted conditions and the watchful eye of both a biologist and Native American monitors to ensure protected species remained unharmed and no artifacts of cultural significance were destroyed. Congratulations, Paso Robles.
Nominees for the Field Erected Special Storage Tank of the Year are Wine Storage Tanks by Paso Robles Tank, Potable Water Upward Helical Flow Solid Contact Clarifiers by CB&I Storage Tank Solutions, and Wayne City, Illinois Water Treatment by CB&I Storage Tank Solutions. And the winner is Wine Storage Tanks by Paso Robles Tank. These 18 stainless steel dimple-jacketed, truncated roof, elevated sloping floor tanks were built from the top down using MIG and TIG welding processes. The bottom 12 inches of the tank is a skirt that is filled with concrete to support the elevated sloping floor. The tank is anchored with the latest innovation in seismic anchoring on the market today. The tanks in total hold enough wine to make nearly 150,000 cases or 1,794,900 bottles of wine. Congratulations, Paso Robles Tank.
And next award for the Field Erected Tank of the Year for the Standpipe. The nominees are Water Station 1 Phase 2 Improvements by Paso Robles, Kennydale Reservoir by Paso Robles, Tri-States Well 6 and Storage Tank by Caldwell Tanks, Standpipe Number 4 Project 2019 by T. Bailey Incorporated, McNeil 300,000 gallon water storage tank replacement by Fisher Tank. And the winner is Tri-States Well 6 and Storage Tank by Caldwell Tanks. The city of Branson, Missouri has improved its ability to provide clean, safe, and reliable water service to its customers with this new 500,000 gallon welded steel standpipe. The project was a challenge as the tank contractor was working at the small site at the same time as two other contractors, a weld contractor and a piping contractor. The build included design, fabrication, erection, and painting of the tower, including all of the materials, internal piping and yard piping to connect to the other contractor's piping to the well. Even with the worldwide pandemic, the tank was completed and brought to service on time. Congratulations to Caldwell Tank.
And congratulations to all award winners. Let's give them a big round of applause. Steve, we received a cease and desist letter from Queen after last year's business meeting, so unfortunately we're not able to play We Are the Champions this year. Our apologies, but as they say, another one bites the dust.
Well, I was going to start clapping, so I'll give a clap.
The next section of awards are the Fabricated Product of the Year awards. First up is Shop-Fabricated Pressure Vessel of the Year. The nominees are Superior Rebuild De-isobutanizer by Boardman LLC, and 600 PSIG Chemical Reactor by Kennedy Tank and Manufacturing. And the winner is 600 PSIG Chemical Reactor by Kennedy Tank and Manufacturing. The Kennedy team estimated, designed, engineered, and fabricated this reactor for one of their best chemical customers. The vessel was designed for 600 PSIG and a full vacuum at 750 degrees Fahrenheit. The half pipe on the bottom head and the 20-turn stainless steel internal coil were designed for 150 PSIG. Unique features include custom laser fused beams that function as hybrid mixing baffles and coil supports. Spring coil clips were designed for thermal expansion. The team exceeded their customers' expectations by completing the vessel earlier than scheduled. Congratulations to the team at Kennedy Tank and Manufacturing.
Next, we have the Shop-Fabricated Atmospheric Tank. And the entries were a 6,500 US gallon horizontal cylindrical three-way split tank by Regal Tanks, a 100,000 liter vertical double wall vacuum monitor tank by Regal Tanks, 14,000-gallon rectangular double-wall steel storage tank by Modern Welding of Georgia. And the winner is Modern Welding. In 2020, Modern built a UL 142 double-wall rectangular box for oil storage, 300 inches long by 156 inches wide by 78 inches high. The tank weighed 36,500 pounds. The primary tank was built with 5/16 304 stainless, and the secondary tank was built with 1/4-inch SA36 carbon steel. The tank is used for oil storage used in the testing of equipment for the aerospace aeronautics industry. The tank was built during the 2020 pandemic, and Modern was able to complete the tank well before the customer's expected delivery date. We always like that. Congratulations, Modern Welding of Georgia.
The Special Fabrication Product of the Year nominees are Biological Pharmaceutical Tanks by Paso Robles Tank, Autoclave by Modern Welding Company of Georgia, Midwest Bulk Storage Project by JL Houston Company, and Alloy 800 HT Product Heat Treater by Ward Vessel and Exchanger. And the winner is Alloy 800 HT Product Heat Treater by Ward Vessel and Exchanger. Their customer came to them with an idea, and they helped design an extremely intricate Alloy 800 HT unit with a complex internal design. It was executed perfectly through 3D geometry and successfully installed within an operating unit. Congratulations to Ward Vessel and Exchanger. And congratulations to all of the Fabricated Product of the Year winners.
Next award we have is for pipe fabrication. And the entries were a lower water pump station by Mid-America Pipe Fabricating and Supply, Rio Grande Dam Phase 2 Rehabilitation by Mid-America Pipe Fabricating and Supply, Tunnels Repair and Bird Creek Pump Station by Mid-America Pipe Fabricating and Supply, a Southwest Aqueduct by Mid-America Pipe, and the winner is Mid-America Pipe for the Rio Grande Dam Phase 2 Rehabilitation. This product included approximately 270 feet of 127-inch OD steel pipe used for existing tunnel pipe replacement. This pipe was fabricated in 20-foot long sections with slight fabricated bends on each end to match the curvature of the existing tunnel. After leaving the tunnel, the pipe continued for another 280 feet to a valve structure where it ended with connections with two 84-inch cone valves. Included in this final run of pipe were fabricated bends of 127 inches and 84-inch pipe that adjusted the line in both plan and elevation. There were also four 36-inch diameter by 25-foot long towers with ladders that provided access to inline flow meters located in the 127-inch pipe. Before entering the valve house, a bifurcation Y reduced the 127-inch OD line into two 84-inch OD lines. The fabricated Y was reinforced with a 3-piece crotch plate and was shipped out on a truck at an overall width of 19 feet. Wow. Standard truck freight is 8 foot 6 inches wide. Pipe was shop coated and lined with polyurethane per AWW C222. Congratulations, Mid-America Pipe.
The final steel water pipe category is Pipeline Project of the Year. The nominees are Regional Integrated Loop System Phase 3B by American Spiral Weld Pipe Company, Northwest Water Purification Plant Expansion Intake Pump Station by Mid-America Pipe Fabricating and Supply, Cottonwood Siphon Rehabilitation by Mid-American Pipe Fabricating and Supply, Wellhead Treatment 123 TCP remediation by Aqueous Vets, Vista Ridge Pipeline by Thompson Pipe Group, 200027 in Phoenix, Arizona by Thompson Pipe Group, Tertiary Treatment Facility Sacramento Regional Wastewater Treatment Facility by JIFCO, and Finished Water 2 Pipeline by Thompson Pipe Group. And the winner is Northwest Water Purification Plant Expansion Intake Pump Station by Mid-America Pipe Fabricating and Supply. The project starts with 10 72-inch suction lines to feed the pumps on the platform. These pieces had to be floated into place under the platform using rubber balloons. The pipe was installed by divers underwater beneath the platform. The raw water then leaves the discharge side of the pump cans into twin 96-inch headers. A 72-inch bypass line loops over the top of both lines, so either one or both lines can be utilized at the same time. The twin 96-inch lines can then angle toward each other to line up the twin 120-inch pipe. These lines then reduce down to the twin 109-inch lines that run across the bridge. All the piping in the platform and the bridge had to be put on a barge and moved into place. There are 56 sliding and fixed supports on the bridge. The sliding supports have Teflon pads on the bottom and embedded plates in the concrete that will allow for thermal expansion and contraction. There are also 18 expansion couplings located on the 950 feet of pipe that runs the length of the bridge. Once the pipe leaves the bridge, it then increases to twin 111-inch pipe. This span of over 700 feet of pipe is buried before it ties into existing pipe. Congratulations, Mid-America Pipe Fabricating and Supply. And congratulations to all of the Steel Pipe Project of the Year winners. Back to Steve for our final category.
Okay, we have the Affiliate New Product of the Year Award. Tnemec Company, the Affiliate New Product of the Year winner for a thermal insulating coating for condensation control. This thermal insulating coating helps reduce the formation of condensation by protecting cool metal substrates from warm, moist air. The spray applied coating is ideal for interior dry sections of water tanks where frequent condensation is a concern, including interior bellies, riser piping, and access tubes, and can help reduce the frequency and severity of condensation. When applied, it prevents problems associated with the corrosion under insulation, and even offers a personnel protection barrier from hot surface temperatures. The product allows for quick, high-build applications that make insulating complex shapes easier and limits the need for more complex and or expensive products. Congratulations to Tnemec.
And congratulations to all STI SPFA Fabricated Steel Product and Project Award winners. Let's give them one more round of applause.